The month of September 2020 is coming to an end, meaning we get to reflect on 10 of our favorite iOS apps to hit the App Store during the month. Without further ado, let's get started. iOS 14 was launched this month, bringing a ton of new features, including widgets on the home screens. And as a result, we're starting to see some customization apps that we've never seen on the App Store. Widgetsmith is one of those apps letting you customize the size and appearance of your widgets. You can change the font type, the background, and the border colors, and do so much more. So if you're interested in widgets and just customizing your iPhone like an Android device, Widgetsmith is a great resource. And along with that, we have Launch Center Pro. It's another great app to have on iOS 14. So Apple still doesn't natively let you reskin your app icons, but using an app like Launch Center Pro, you can create shortcuts that open the apps that you want and also have the icon skin that you want. So to create your own icon using Launch Center Pro, you want to tap the pencil in the corner, tap the big plus icon, and then tap on Action. Then from there, you can choose your icon, and here you can customize the shape, color, style, and so on. What you see here is just to show you how this app works, but in theory, you're gonna want to go and download an icon pack from a third party, download it, and move the file over to your iPhone before loading it up in this app. So that way you can load the custom icon into Launch Center Pro. But when you're happy with your selections, you can tap the share icon, hit save image, and now when you go create an app shortcut, you can select this icon that you customized and created. So it's definitely a tedious process, but it's at least possible now, and that is progress, my friends. My Vote Ballotpedia will help you prepare for the 2020 federal, state, and local elections. Ballotpedia sources candidate information from each of the 50 states to provide you with an example of your 2020 US primary and general election ballots. So you can use this sample ballot mobile app to preview your real life ballot and show up to the polls prepared. So it's a really cool resource. Just know that you can't actually vote using this app. So you can get an idea for what your ballot will look like, but make sure you actually fill out your real ballot and submit it in real life and not on this app. But overall, this is a great app to have if you're a US citizen who's old enough to vote in the upcoming election. Golf Skies is a 2D golf game with a unique twist. You play golf up in the sky, where the course is made out of golf planets with their own gravitational fields and obstacles. And when you shoot the ball, you'll be able to steer it and race all the way to the green for a hole-in-one. So I just love the unique gameplay and the various power-ups. It's a super fun game to just casually pick up and play. Drafts is a simple but powerful note-taking application. I mean, technically, it's for any sort of text, whether that's notes, reminders, stories you were writing, whatever you want to write in here, you can. But what's great about it is how many different sharing options there are. You can share to Google Drive, iCloud, you can send the text via a text message, you can send to your reminders app, and much, much more. There's also a bunch of options to sort your text to help keep things more organized. Motivation Daily Quotes is a nice little app to have to give you some motivational quotes to help you get through the day. You can post them as a widget to your home screen or as a notification in the notification panel. It doesn't do much more than that, but sometimes that's all you need. Just some quotes to get you through the day. Nameless Cat is an adventure game where you play as a nameless cat who stumbled upon a strange fantasy world. The goal is to try and return home to the owner, but on the way, the nameless cat encounters various creatures, trials, and hardships. If you like what you see, check out Nameless Cat. Muse is a neat messenger app on the App Store that reimagines text messaging. Each conversation takes place on a blank canvas where you can add text, you can pin photos and GIFs, zoom and draw. There are really no rules or parameters to abide by. You can use the space however you like, and I think that's awesome and worthy of a spot on the list here. The only downside with this app is you have to have, all of your buddies have to have the app installed for it to work. But I mean, that's an easy thing to fix. So if you like what you see, check out Muse and give it a whirl, send it to your friends, and sign up. Grammatica is a third-party keyboard with a focus on spell check and grammar with its AI-powered writing assistant. The keyboard will highlight any misspelled word or improper punctuation to help you sound as professional as possible. There's predictive typing support and emojis, of course. If you're not enjoying the stock iOS keyboard, or maybe you just want something new, give this keyboard a whirl. Empty is a relaxing puzzle game that'll help you unwind after a long day. Each level aims to teach you to value simplicity in life. What you have to do is clear the room by rotating it, which is easier said than done sometimes. There are 19 levels and an original soundtrack, but best of all, the app is completely free. With that last one, those are 10 of our favorite iOS apps to hit the App Store during the month of September 2020. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe if you're brand new, and let us know which app is your favorite in a comment down below. As always, I'm BoHD from PhoneDoug.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys right back here in the next one. See ya.